Hello guys, welcome ice cream lovers and fans. In the last video, Zara showed us how to make fudge. Did you like that in the last video? I liked it. Did you like it?
So today we are going to be making mango and peach ice cream. Okay guys, so stick around. We'll also be announcing the winners for our June giveaway.
Well, what are you doing?
So first thing first, we're gonna cut this mangoes.
Ingredients we're using to make our ice cream is 1,200 millilitres of extra thick double cream, 3 mangoes, 4 peaches, 3 tablespoons of white caster sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
So we'll leave this for toppings later. We want some mango flesh when we eat the ice cream, not just. So we're just gonna peel this peach and dice it because it's gonna be hard to remove the seed inside, but we'll do it. Oh my god, it's hard to remove the seed. It's really attached to the. I'm just gonna cut this peach into pieces, into cubes, and put it in a separate bowl.
Why?
Because we want chunks in our ice cream, so now we have this mixture of mango and peach. We're gonna blend, we're gonna mix it, make a puree. Just put it out. Because we're gonna put the double cream here. Yeah, so now we're gonna pour in our double cream into this cream bowl. We are gonna use the thick, extra thick double cream.
So thick you can't even get it out.
I'm gonna use this spatula over here. Yep, it's so thick you can't even get it out.
Are you meant to do that? Is that part of the recipe?
We're not gonna use condensed milk, because it's condensed milk, it's really sweet, and we don't really want our ice cream to be that sweet because the mango will already bring sweetness into it, natural sweet. It's gonna act as a natural sweetener, the mango. So yeah, just gonna use double cream, no condensed, and the sugar in this mango. This is 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm just gonna whisk that here. The taste and see if it's sweet. Because if it's sour, we're probably gonna add more sugar in it. It is sweet. Back in this bowl. Yep, just give it a nice stir until it's completely. Look at that color. This is optional, you don't really need to put it, but we just want some dash of vanilla in this ice cream. Always clean your hand every time you're gonna add, when you feel like it's really sticky, wash your hand. So now we're gonna move this mixture in this, what do you call this?
It's just a...
Okay, so now we're gonna move this ice cream in this smaller container, so it's gonna fit in the freezer. So you don't really have much room in there, so yeah. We're gonna freeze it for 24 hours. Yay, are you excited? I'm excited because it's really good. Alright, so we're done and we're gonna put it in the fridge for 8 to 24 hours.
But freezer, not fridge.
Yeah. It's just the same thing.
It's not the same thing at all.
Okay, so we're gonna put it in the freezer for like 8 to 24 hours max. So this is the finished product, and I'm really excited as well as Conrad. Just look at that. Oh my god, look at the ice on top of it. It's really frozen. Okay, you just need to get rid of this kind of, I think it's the moist.
That's just water which stuck to the cling film. It's just moisture. We'll be right back to the ice cream, but first, our giveaway. We've been blown away and blessed throughout all of June with all the people which have been liking, commenting and sharing our videos. We absolutely love you guys and we just want to give back more. So throughout July we're going to be hosting a running giveaway where we're going to try and give back to as many active subscribers as possible to make sure that our loyal fan base are rewarded for being a part of our community. So make sure you hit the notification bell so that you are notified with all our latest uploads. It doesn't matter if you're subscribing now or you've been a subscriber since day one. We just want to make sure that all our loyal fans are rewarded, and we hope that you can help us grow so that we can give back more to our amazing community.
Yep. Also, please be active on our Facebook page. We are really active on that Facebook page, so we can really interact with our fans.
But without further ado, let's get to the winners of this month's June giveaway. Guys, we couldn't give to everyone. There's lots of people we wanted
There's
to.
actually like over 250, almost 300 people who joined in this giveaway, and we can only choose or give it to 6 people because that's part of the mechanic. We're gonna announce the winner for our consolation prize. So this is gonna be an e-voucher, Lazada e-voucher worth 300 pesos. So yeah, we changed it from 250, we changed it to 300 because there's no 250 vouchers.
So
yeah,
plus for you guys.
Princess Phoebe Bahana, Vanessa Ilagan. Third is Janina Jamera. Congratulations to 3 of you who
Well
won
done, girls.
300 Lazada e-voucher from the third. So for the third winner, she'll get 500 cash plus 250 Lazada e-voucher. And her name is Del Mano. Hi Del, congratulations. For the second winner, her name is Maria Yanela Matula, and she'll get 1,000 pesos plus 500 Lazada e-voucher. Congratulations, Yanela. And the grand prize, the grand prize is worth 1,000 pesos plus 1,000 Lazada e-voucher. And who's the lucky winner? You say it.
Mary Grace Mileto.
Yep. Hi Mary Grace, it's
Mulatto.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Don't know how to pronounce it.
Hopefully you forgive me because you won.
Congratulations to you girls. So yeah, these are the lucky winner for our June giveaway, and tune in for the July giveaway because we have more prizes to be given away. Just make sure that you follow our you are subscribed to our YouTube channel, and you make sure to follow our Facebook page because we will be posting the mechanics in our Facebook page.
So let's go back to see if the ice cream's finished.
Yep.
It's ready finally. So
Here it
excited.
is. Yep.
Oh my gosh. It smells so
begin.
beautiful. That is the best ice cream I've ever had.
It's not super sweet because we didn't have lots of sugar in it. Because we want the mango and peach to bring out the natural sweetness in the ice cream.
But it's still really beautifully creamy, and it's got that really fruity
Flavor.
taste. And I would actually say it is quite sweet, but it's the natural sweetness of the mango and the peach rather than lots of added sugar, because they only put a tiny bit of sugar in compared to other ice creams. So good.
Rate it?
It's an 11 out of 10.
You should try this too. It's very easy to make. I think the preparation time is less than an hour.
But guys, hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Make sure that you like and share this video. Remember about our giveaway that is coming up for the month of July. If you've watched this far into the video, today when I post this video is Zara's birthday. So comment below, happy birthday Zara, so that we know that you've watched to the end.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.